So this is the process. These are the faculties and the students enrolled are here. So now we need to make a query using the wizard cross query. Okay, cross query. When you are choosing the cross query, because we need to make the faculty, choose the faculty from course, use the course table, choose the faculty for each level. Next, you can choose any kind of field. Just this is for counting number of students enrolled. Number of students enrolled. Now this is, I am just saving this query as Q20. Okay, so modify. So now this statement is showing for each faculty how many students are enrolled. Okay, so now we need to export only this total number of students and faculty into document. Select this two and check this is in ascending order, because in question paper they mentioned sort the data alphabetically by faculty. So now this is in alphabetically. Now export this to document, Microsoft Word, and open export the selected records. Now these fields will be selected and exported to Microsoft Word. From there you can take it into your evidence document, because we want to show this in our evidence. Okay, so now let us go back to next question is create a chart. Okay, now we calculated number of students, and now question number 21, create a chart that shows the number of students enrolled in each faculty area. Do not include a faculty if less than 20 students have been enrolled. We need to make a chart only for where students are more than 20. So for that purpose we need to make a query basing on this cross query. Okay, so create a simple query by using this cross query. Choose only total number of students. Okay, so go to next. Here we modify is, this is 21. Question number 21. So modify, and you need to add a condition for total number of students where greater than or equal to 20. Okay, so that is the question paper says less than 20 means we need to include 20 or more. Okay, so fully now we run the query. Now this is showing only where students enrolled more than 20. Now we need to export this to Excel for making a chart. So export this to Microsoft Excel for making chart. So now your data is here. So this is, instead of total number of code, we can just make it as a total number of students. Now we need to make a chart. So here create a chart that shows number of students enrolled in each faculty. Do not include faculty less than 20, and fully label your chart that add your chart to your evidence document. So select this and make a chart. Okay, so here chart and make sure all the labels are clearly visible. Okay, so this is number of students enrolled. Number of students, and title is students by faculty. And this is faculty. Faculty name. Okay, now so for better appearance you can move this chart into a new, move this to move this chart into new shape. Now your chart is fully visible. And make sure before, actually sometimes in examination they may ask you to print this chart. So before you print, make sure your header and footers somewhere your names appear. Okay, so here when you go to print, there is nowhere is your name. So we need to go to page layout and header and footer. Okay, go to page setup and header and footer, customize header. You can write your name and your center number and your number here. Okay, so that your number will appear when you print your. So now actually our labels are clearly visible. Okay, so now you can just print it and show it in the evidence. Okay, so your name, number, center number and all labels are clearly visible. Okay, this is question number 21. And let's